the hammerhead hunting. This is one of my favorite types of sharks. The great hammerhead can grow extremely large. Imagine seeing this one up close. Would you go swimming with giant hammerheads? Another name for the strange shape of the hammerhead shark's head is cephalofoil. Bring that up in science class. Subscribe today for free.